good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for this exciting webinar on harnessing generative AI for smarter business outcome. My name is Peter Xu. I'm a senior AI solution architect at Intervision. I'm excited to be your host for today's session. Our session today will begin by exploring generative AI era and its rapid rise, then highlight key business outcome already being transformed by AI. We'll follow that by a look at the technical enabler that drive this innovation, and show you how to start your own AI journey with Intervision, from first step to advanced deployment. Finally, we'll open it up for Q&A session to address your specific question and interest. There's no doubt we're already in the very beginning of generative AI era, which some might also call it intelligence age. AI adoption has surged dramatically in just last past 2 years, jumping from 55% to 72% of business, now integrating AI and Gen AI into at least one process. This is not a passing trend. It's a seismic shift, on par with the advent of internet. We're also seeing AI everywhere, from edge device, running specialized model to cloud-based high-performance workload, making AI capability more accessible than ever. And finally, it's AI for all, no longer limited to big enterprise, but now readily available to organizations of any size. The pace of innovation is astounding. I'm optimistic that this technology will continue to transform industry, creating new opportunity and reshaping how we work and live. Generative AI already transforming wide range of business activity across industry and organization. Whether it is from boosting employee productivity through generate document or report, to drive operational efficiency by streamlining process and uncovering new insights. It will also accelerate product development, allowing teams to iterate faster and unlock fresh new design capability. Lastly, it will also elevate customer experience, enable more personalized, engaging interaction. In a moment, we will take a deeper dive into this area to understand how generative AI can deliver tangible outcome across the entire enterprise. Let's take a moment to understand how generative AI is different from previous generation technology and its transformational power. Generative AI solution hinging on several key enablers that form holistic ecosystem to deliver robust and scalable outcome. First, AI multi-modal and live interaction support diverse input type, such as text, image, speech, to enable more intuitive, real-time user experience. Next, retrieval augmented generation, sometimes also called RAG, augment AI output with relevant information sourced from internal data store or knowledge base, ensure content remain grounded and accurate. Meanwhile, AI agent translate insight into concrete action by automating tasks and workflow, reducing manual effort while speeding up operation. At the core is an AI insight platform that coordinates data ingestion, model training, and ongoing monitoring, provides centralized foundation that guarantees scalability, compliance, and continuous improvement. Together, this component creates seamless framework for building and deploying powerful generative AI application across diverse industry and use cases. With that technical understanding, now let's look at how generative AI can directly influence your team's day-to-day work and boost overall productivity. One of the most immediate benefits using generative AI is to quickly draft content for knowledge worker. Whether it's writing routine email, generating first draft of report, or product description, or even generating snippet code, these AI tools, like an extra set of hands, free employee from low-value, repetitive writing task. For instance, imagine a marketing team getting a jump start on campaign or social media post, and AI can provide structured draft so your team can focus on refining the brand value and voice rather than starting from scratch. Another key advantage is rapid access to information. We have all spent a countless hour sifting through internal portals or documents to find best practices, policy detail, or previous project notes. AI-powered search reduces time significantly by using natural language query. Instead of searching keywords, employee can literally ask questions to get the most relevant answer in seconds. Instant data insight means quicker access to the information needed for good decision. Now, AI agent in the form of chatbot or virtual assistant can be deployed to tasks or the repetitive tasks like scheduling meeting, data entry, simple Q&A support. By handling those routine activities, employee can dedicate more time to complex problem solving, creativity, and strategic planning. Now that we have explored how AI enhances individual productivity, let's take a broader look at how generative AI and the AI agent can streamline operation across the entire organization. Generative AI can orchestrate end-to-end process, helping to automate repetitive workflow from invoice processing to onboarding employee. Instead of manually coordinating each step, AI agent can hand off tasks to next system or person automatically. The beauty of automation is not just about speed, but consistency. Process become more predictable, so you avoid bottleneck and ensure more uniform, high-quality output. AI-powered systems also excel at identifying anomaly or deviation, making them ideal for quality checks, whether it's catching inaccuracy in financial transaction or spot error in manufacture. This tool can flag issues before they become costly problem. By reducing human error, especially in the repetitive tasks that can be prone to oversight, organizations minimize rework and maintain higher standard of quality. AI can also optimize resources like scheduling shift or allocate inventory by analyzing historical data and predicting future needs. For example, in logistics, AI may help plan fleet routes more efficiently, reducing fuel costs and prevent stockout. AI-driven workflow can easily scale with growing business demand. You can handle higher in volume without needing linear increase in human labor, which is crucial for rapid growth or seasonal spike. Now, let's shift our focus to customer-facing side of generative AI. It's not just about internal efficiency. The real game changer can be how you engage and serve your customer. Customers today expect hyper-personalized experience. With the AI-driven recommendation engine and the target marketing campaign, you tailor product suggestion, message, offer to each individual's preference, past behavior. Personalized, timely support increase positive brand sentiment. When customers feel cared for, they are more likely to remain loyal and recommend company to others. AI chatbot or virtual assistant can handle routine query instantaneously, providing 24/7 availability. This real-time support helps reduce wait time dramatically and enable immediate issue resolution, even without need for human intervention. For more complex problems, AI can escalate to human staff, ensure smooth handoff and consistent customer experience. In today's world, customers interact with brands through various channels, website, mobile app, social media, even voice interface. AI can unify all these touch points so customers can have a seamless experience, regardless how they choose to connect. With multi-modal AI, the user could start conversation via text, but then switch to a voice call or even share images. The context remains intact, which boosts satisfaction and efficiency. We have seen how AI enhances productivity, operation, customer experience. Now let's talk about how it transforms product development, helping companies innovate faster. Generative AI can be a powerful partner in ideation, whether you are experienced with new product concept in R&D or rapid prototyping design. AI can generate multiple variations, giving teams more option to evaluate. Shorter development cycle means you can launch products sooner, and automated quality check reduce costly mistake. Time is everything in product development. Your product embeds lots of software. AI can speed up coding tasks by suggesting or even auto-generating certain parts of the code base. It can also automate catching bugs earlier. When you leverage AI for ideation or iterative development, your product roadmap can evolve constantly, helping you stay ahead of competition. Additionally, AI excels at sifting through massive amount of data, like social media sentiment, sales figure, and industry research, to spot emerging trends. This intelligence can guide team towards features or products that match evolving customer needs. The result? Better informed decision, where to invest resources, and which market segment to target. Next, we'll summarize everything we have talked so far and discuss how you can apply this insight within your own organization. Based on our real-world delivery experience in the past 2 years, here are some best practices we are seeing how successful companies are adopting AI. They always begin by pinpoint high-impact use cases that yield immediate, tangible benefit. Next, they pilot AI-powered tools and agents to secure quick win and build momentum. Along with this pilot, they establish governance and ethics framework to ensure responsible and transparent deployment. Finally, train the workforce on AI capability so the team can fully embrace and integrate AI-driven insight process into their day-to-day operation. At Innovation, we have also developed a comprehensive adoption framework and methodology to help customers like yourself at every maturity level to adopt Gen AI fast and responsibly. This framework begins with a strategy and a visioning, raising awareness, clarifying goal, and outline roadmap. Next comes readiness assessment, where data is secured, compliance is ensured, and teams are prepared for AI. Proofs of concept then demonstrate visibility, validate value, confirm adoption potential. Once proven, the focus shifts to production AI, where solutions are scaled for automation and differentiation that drive real business outcome. Finally, manage the AI optimized model, ensure compliance, managing costs, and continuous improvement. Throughout this journey, we unify technical enabler like data readiness, security, validation with business objective, guiding customer from initial exploration to sustainable AI practices. So with that, I think we come to the end of our presentation. We're opening up the floor for some Q&A. So we are seeing some questions coming in. One of the first question is from our audience is how do I create or use AI agent? That's a very interesting and question. AI agent is something we're seeing increasing adoption, especially will be in year 2025. A lot of companies already starting adopting AI agent in the form of custom developed AI agent. But over the long term, you will see more and more out-of-box agent, either from the traditional software vendor or SaaS product. But there always need for a custom developed AI agent to suit for your specific customer needs or specific use cases. So this is an exciting space. We welcome any opportunity chatting with you about your AI agent development needs, so we can help there. So there's another question coming, very interesting one about the recent DeepSeek arrival, how that will impact Gen AI solution development and workflow in the company. That's another good one. So everyone probably heard a lot about the DeepSeek release, probably January 27, January 20th, that's a release, but it caused a lot of shockwave across the US and in the world last week or so. It is a very capable open source model, which claimed a capability on par with OpenAI o1, but at a fraction of a cost. That's one of its first advantage is reduce the cost. Second advantage claim is the open source nature, allow it to deploy anywhere, not just in the cloud, also can be deployed in enterprise at a very small version or the full version of the DeepSeek. That does raise a lot of competition from the more established players there, but I think in the long run, it's a good thing to democratize frontier level AI access to smaller company, also allow them cheaply to deploy a solution securely in their own environment, even on-prem data center. So Intervision, we also are evaluating DeepSeek very actively. If you do have use cases, you require using the open source, small language model on-prem or in the cloud, we're happy to discuss further. Okay, we're probably running out of time for no more questions. So with that, I want to thank you for joining the call for today. Hopefully you have learned something new. You are as excited about the transformative power of AI as I am. We look forward to collaborating with you to truly harness generative AI for smarter business outcome.